I need a video that says how to use a pressure cooker for dummies. Yeah. Hey guys. You can't really see me good, huh? Welcome to the vlog. In this vlog, I am finally going to do something that I probably should have done weeks ago. My apologies to you, my lovely friend of YouTube, Marquita. Know that I've been going through some stuff between moving, so you know how we be between and stuff, right? Kids, boobs, you know, all that shebang. So without further ado, let's open the package that Marquita sent to the Lopez fam. Let me get a knife. I think this will do. Yeah. Okay. Here's the box. Huh. And hold on, guys. Hold on. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Because if I don't do this now, I might never get a chance to do it. So we just do it. Where'd I put that knife? I still can't believe she sent this to me. Ready? Okay. I'm not really supposed to be lifting anything, but it's gonna be upside down. Ha, ha, ha. Melly got her own electric pressure cooker by Midea? Midea by Midea. Look how pretty it is, guys. I have never used a pressure cooker in my life. I assume that it's like a crock pot, but I was informed that it's totally not like a crock pot. It's 10 times better. So let's go open it. Perfect rice, quick programming, easy 24-hour preset timer, safe dimensional protective system. All right, let's open it up. Okay, let's read about it because I have no idea what it does. I should have Googled it. She sent me some stuff too, like to look up, to make. I should look at it. Okay, so here is keep warm, cancel hour, minute, rice, meat, ribs, chicken, duck. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I have a whole chicken. I wonder if I can cook a whole chicken in here. Guys, you know I hate reading directions. You know I hate reading directions. I don't know what that is. Okay, that's for steam. Okay. Okay, so here's the top. Oh, it comes with little like stuff inside. This little spoon. This spoon for, I'm assuming, rice. Little measuring cup. Hi, baby. Look, I opened up the pressure cooker. You did? Yeah. I think I could make a whole chicken in here. I think I'm gonna do that.
Wow, that's cool. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it has a bunch of different buttons.
Neat.
That was cool. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Hi, people.
My hair is sideways.
It's fine. Still look pretty.
Tomorrow I have to come over.
When? Later?
Today.
Who said? You didn't ask me.
Yes, Dad.
You didn't ask Dad.
Yes, we did.
Really?
They said we could set it up, so we did today.
Nobody even talks to me.
Oh my gosh.
Nobody talks to me. Electric pressure cooker manual. Okay. Here we go. Alright. So. Alright. Controls. Chicken. Pressure. Increase the time difference. Pressure 666. I don't know.
Okay, before first use, please take out all the accessories from the package. Yeah, okay, remove and install the anti-black shield. Remove and install the anti-black shield. How's that? Remove. The anti-black shield can be removed by pushing it on the inside to lift it up to install the anti-black shield. Position it in place and press it down. Don't know what that means.
Be installed on either side. Why would I do that though? It's already in there. Remove and install? I don't understand why I have to remove it to install it. It's already in
Oh my
there.
gosh, Mommy.
What?
Mommy Ella said that she's going in her pool.
Yeah.
And
Watch out for my
she has an email. She gave me her email so I could like text her.
Oh yeah? Okay. It's plugged in. As you can see, right here. Let's just... They got Chinese instructions. Preset cooking. Your pressure cooker has the preset function, can be end cooking time within 10 seconds after program selection. I know I want to do chicken. Okay, your pressure cooker has the preset function, can be end cooking time setting. Follow steps from previous pressure cooker. In my beauty room on the couch, child.
Ooh, child.
We're gonna Google. How to cook a whole chicken in my pressure cooker.
What?
It made a little noise. It's warming up. It's making noises. What the heck? How to cook a whole chicken in my pressure cooker. Let me get my chicken. My chicken is still frozen. I'll be back, guys, okay? It's not working out like I thought. All right, guys. The book is not really telling me, like, I want to cook this whole chicken. And it's not really telling me how to cook this whole chicken. And I Googled stuff, but it's telling me to put it on the browning thing. They don't really have a lot of Midea pressure cookers on YouTube. And there's no browning button. So I'm just gonna wing it. Okay. Accept the cake button. For chicken, minimum is 2, default is 3, maximum. I'm doing maximum because I gotta make sure this chicken is done. Cooking. I'm gonna just go and try to put my chicken in. Guys, I'm never the official cooker, okay? We all know this, okay? Mind you, this was supposed to be easy, and I was just supposed to stick the chicken in there and then cook it. But of course my chicken, I already told you, was frozen still. So just give me a minute. This better come out right. I'm not playing. I'm not playing with you, pressure cooker. I'm not playing. We're not playing. No. I never defrosted a chicken inside the microwave, and it actually worked. Gotta take them guts out, girl. Okay. I should have had something. Got the chicken. Check. Most important part, right? Alright, so most of these people stuck some oil inside the pressure cooker. I don't have no oil, so I'm using butter. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. It's hot. And that's what I wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken, okay? Wait, let me just keep it right here. Right now, right here. Right here, right now. I got some sofrito. Got some adobo, sazon. We're gonna make that orange chicken. Sanitize it. Great. I'm a mess. Everything's a mess. My whole life is a mess. Alright, let's pour some of this on there. And then we'll just like rub it around and stuff. And you don't want to touch anything. Okay. I got a lot of sofrito. We're gonna stick that up in there. Massage that chicken. And that lady said she did breast down. Going on. Rest down, baby. Yeah. Just doing it. Don't do what I do, people. Just don't do that. I have no idea what this thing is. No. Nope. No clue. Oh, it smells good. That's not brown, but I'll be right back. I gotta read more. Okay, so I'm pouring my liquid in, which is just chicken broth. Okay, and its top is on. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what that thing is. It's locked and it's cooking and it's showing 17 minutes left, but it's not letting me change it. So 2 hours. I'm gonna do, geez.
Figure it out.
It can only do 2 hours. Preset. So I'm cooking this for 2 hours. Better be safe than sorry, right? I mean, good thing is that my whole house won't get hot, right? That's the positive. So if I'm actually cooking the chicken for too long, at least we'll know that it's cooked and it's not raw. And I didn't have to really, you know, get up and like turn off my stove or make my house really hot because it is like 80 degrees today. So yeah, I'm gonna be back later and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you how it came out. I need a video that says how to use a pressure cooker for dummies. Yeah, I'm better if I see it than if I read it. And they ain't got nothing. They ain't got no, if you know of a video out there that's by Midea, not by the Midea, the actual Midea, but by the brand Midea, and you could refer me to it, that would be greatly appreciated, right, Lalo?
Yep.
Because at this point, we're winging it. And if somebody could comment below and tell me what the hell this is. Tell me what this is. Because I don't think it's in here. It came inside. I don't really know.
Were the cherries bad or something? Do them up?
No.
Oh,
Angie took them. Go get them. Okay. All right, guys, I'll be back. Wish us luck, because you're just lucky you're not gonna have to eat it. I think it'll be fine. I seasoned it all right. It's okay. What is this? Does this go in there? Nope. I still don't know what the hell this is. Okay. We'll see. And I just now realized that I left my, and I should have seasoned the chicken even more. I left my sweet potatoes in the oven. Yeah, I did. See that? I'm telling you guys, my brain is just, it's just everywhere. All right, I'll see you in a minute. It is now hours later, but from what I heard, it will stay warm as long as you keep it in there until you unplug it, because there's no off button. Okay, I did research some stuff, and then I also met someone that actually has one, and she said it's freaking awesome. So anyway, I put it on number 4, and I think the chicken cooked for like probably like an hour, 40 minutes or something. I overcooked a little bit because I just wasn't sure. So we're gonna take a look at the chicken now. Let's see. So supposedly you go like this. Hold on, I'm doing something. You turn it and you go like this.
Where's your phone?
Wow. It is done.
Ew.
Oh my goodness.
Where's your phone?
Right over there.
Can't find my phone.
It's right here. All right. That's a lot of liquid though. But it's definitely done. Oh my gosh, it's falling off the bone. Girl. All right, so guys, that was it. So now I know how to use it. I know it's not, you know what I think happened? I made it more complicated than it really had to be. That's what happened. It stinks.
It smells gross over here.
So that's what happened. And so next time I won't do that. And I think I put a little bit too much water in here, but that's besides the point. So I'm gonna stop this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed my recklessness of trying to figure this thing out. FYI, it's not as complicated as you might think. Yeah.